just come out and ask. Look at that. You know anything about that?
Unfortunately, I don't have a clue.
Savage. The last 5 to 6 days, can you account for your whereabouts?
I think we need drinks. Yeah, man, at a time like this.
So are we ordering drinks to commiserate or to celebrate?
Hello, good day. Welcome to Xpressionz. How are you?
You're good. Let's have 2 Heineken for starters, no? Well cool.
Okay. Alright, have the bunch.
So, where was I for the last 5 or 6 days? Yo, number 1. Where there? Pier 83. Yeah, man. Right down by the Hudson River. Alright. Stay where at. I'm going to call number 3 right now. Number 3, where at? I'm at 42nd and 8. Alright, don't move. Number 1 on location already. We're going to take a trip on the Hudson River. Tour and scout it. And when the time is right, we just dump him. Walk on, man. Alright. Hear me now. You get rid of him? Alright. We don't want to know him come back from the seashore and then find him nowhere, no, brother. Everything good. Alright. Your wire soon will reach, right? I'll go back to Jamaica tomorrow, so go and hold him. Hold him, man. Say less.
It happens to all of us, Savage. Sooner or later, age catches up with memory. So you seem to be having a problem with yours. So let me help you. Excuse. That's an airline ticket to New York. Return ticket. And the dates seem to cover the last 5 to 6 days. But more importantly, thank you. You can take this in here. Cheers, man. See how cheerful you feel after this.
cold.